Hey guys, today I found some pretty cool, fudge recipes that were videos that showed up on my Facebook page, and I know I did one like this from the Barbie one not too long ago, but I thought they were too cool to not share them with you, so I thought I would make this video and show the videos to you guys. Again, I know it wasn't too long ago before until I did one like this before, but hey, if it's too cool to not share, I thought, why not just go with it, right? But yeah, let me know if you guys like this style, and I'll see if I can do more of them, right? Yeah, I know if you guys like cooking or something, this might be for you, so let's go. Yeah, I just thought you guys should have a heads up about what this video is about, and then, we'll just get right into it. So yeah, let me know if you guys like this video in the comment section. Like this in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Be the most dangerous dessert I've ever made. Peanut butter cup fudge. 5 ingredients, 1 microwave, and enough Reese's to cause chaos. It's creamy, rich, and melts in your mouth with every bite. You'll tell yourself you'll just have 1 square, and then the whole pan is gone. Recipes in the caption.
No bake and make it fudge. So this is peanut butter and white chocolate chips, equal parts. I did 250 grams of each, melted in the microwave in 30-second increments until fluid, and then put in mini chocolate chips, chocolate chunks, and M&Ms. If you really want no other chocolate melted, you're gonna wanna freeze those first, but you don't have to. I then topped it with mini M&Ms because I think it makes it look so good. This will set up at room temperature, but you can also pop it in the fridge to make it go a little faster. And then you have monster cookie fudge to eat whenever you want. Monster cookie.
The Oreo fudge. Melt white chocolate chips with sweetened condensed milk until smooth and glossy. Add crushed Oreos and a splash of vanilla and gently fold them in. Pour the mixture into a parchment-lined pan and smooth the top. Let it set, slice into squares, and that's it. Let's make easy